everything you need to know about the state-of-the-art technology. The world of science is forever evolving. Every single day is an innovation in the world of science and technology. State-of-the-art technology is one such tech trend that has been brought to the spotlight recently. What does it mean by the state-of-the-art technology? The term state-of-the-art technology, also known as cutting-edge technology, refers to modern technology expressed in tools or practices that, when used in a large facility, will significantly lower the likelihood of a discharge. The technology must have proven itself at a comparable facility to be dependable in commercial operation or in a pilot operation on a scale big enough to be converted into commercial operation. There are several types of state-of-the-art technology. Let's look at some of them. 1. Artificial intelligence. The replication of human intelligence functions by machines, particularly computer systems, is known as artificial intelligence. Expert systems, natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine vision are some examples of specific AI applications. By studying millions of instances, an image recognition tool can learn to recognize and describe objects in photographs, just as a chatbot that is given examples of text chats can learn to make lifelike exchanges with people. 2. RPA. Software called Robotic Process Automation, RPA, makes it simple to create, use, and manage software robots that mimic how people interact with computers and software. Software robots are capable of performing a wide range of predefined tasks, including understanding what is on a screen, making the appropriate keystrokes, navigating systems, and extracting and identifying data. But without the need to stand up and stretch or take a coffee break, software robots can execute it more quickly and consistently than humans. 3. OCR. Optical Character Recognition Technology, OCR, is considered to be an industry resolution for automating data extraction from a written or printed text from a scanned document or image file, and then transforming the text into a machine-readable form in order to use in data processing like editing or searching. OCR technology is frequently used to automatically convert image-based files like PDF, TIFFs, and JPG into text-based, machine-readable files. Digital documents that have been OCR processed, including invoices, contracts, financial statements, and more. Moreover, state-of-the-art technology has so many significant features such as high-level accuracy, privacy, and security, supporting of structured and unstructured data, providing collaborative workspaces, and many more. It is also important to choose the right solutions that are powered by the state-of-the-art technology. This is where ELIPO can help you. ELIPO is a customizable vendor invoice automation software that is powered by state-of-the-art technology. With the use of AI, it can extract, convert, and process your invoice processing by ensuring that you work with the best up-to-date tech solution. Contact us now at sales@pioldedigital.com for more information.